Hey guys, so Grant's getting to work here on this little Westinghouse Minerva. So I'm going to take these home and see if I need them in my music room. I'm going to take this retro thing home, check that out. The 4 different levels of sockets. Everything up here is the same. Nothing too interesting in this pile. This is new, but I think it's cool. That's new, but I think it's cool. That stuff's still there. That stuff's still there. This little mini concept or whatever it is new. Still there. The new tones are still there. This Hampton Bay went out today. That's the Craft Made Grant was working on last time. I don't know if that's a Craft Made or an Emerson or what that is, but whatever that is still there. No, that's still there. That went out today. My fault. These are kind of cool. We got... Are these real glass? It's either really cheap glass or really nice plastic. Got 3 of those. Let me sneak over here. These are still there. This builder went out today. Homestead's still there. Sneak around. That went out. No, that was from last week, I think. Still there. Still there. That one went out today. Regency's still there. And then let me show you what's in back. We probably won't get to emptying this bin. I was close, but doesn't look like I'll get to it. 42-inch Summer Breeze. You don't see those very often around here. And then 2 of these, like, almond or... I don't know what they are. They're darker than off-white, like a tan. No, they're darker than a tan, really. Panamas came in. 1, 2... One of them has a newer spotlight kit, and the other one has an older spotlight kit with the ring. And all the hardware's there, including the switch cap, but no controls. And the blades are gloss. Gloss blades. Okay. That's today's fun stuff. Thanks for watching.